Philosophy, a way of seeing things with different perspectives and ideas, is a thing prevailing since ever, with great and amazing philosophers putting forward various philosophical schools of thought in every other century, in every other art form. And though many people say that philosophy is lost, I think it's not something we have forgotten or will forget in a long time. As long as we have our curiosity and desire for more than we need, philosophy will endure. And like all times, this century revolutionizes philosophy in its own way, the internet, mainly YouTube. So here in this video, I'm going to share with you 10 of my favorite philosophical channels out here in YouTube whose content I watch regularly. And mind you, these are just 10 of many more out there. Anyways, without further ado, let's get this video started. Number 10. SecondDot, a channel dedicated to some philosophical and hypothetical schools of thought. With its interesting content and with over 100 videos, this channel is something I love to give my time to.
That being said, even if the galaxy is full of life, we may never find it, especially with our conventional technology. There are simply too many stars to observe carefully enough to determine if their planets and moons could support life.
Number 9. Bite-sized philosophy, another great channel which features small and easily watchable parts of Jordan Peterson's lectures and seminars. The reason I prefer this mostly to the lecture is because I can watch these small parts whenever I get the time to, like between classes or while relaxing. You get the point. But if you want to know more, listen to the full lectures on Jordan Peterson's channel. They are great.
And if you can formulate your arguments coherently and make a presentation, if you can speak to people, if you can lay out a proposal, God, people give you money, they give you opportunities, you have influence. That's what you're at university for.
Number 8. Wisecrack, a great channel that breaks complex philosophies in films with a bit of humor. But the context is powerful and knowledge is unlimited. One of my favorites ever since I watched their Christopher Nolan's philosophy series.
Just as Memento's Leonard prefers to live in the illusion of his manipulated subjective reality, the audience too prefers illusion over truth.
Number 7. FMF, originally stands for 4-minute films, is a new and good philosophical channel. Isn't really about just philosophical topics but incepts critical thinking and philosophy into the most mundane of topics, creating a very informative and truly inspiring video.
और रही बात कि यार ये बॉलीवुड आखिर क्यों हिंदूफोबिक है, इसका रूट कॉज क्या है, आखिर क्या बिगाड़ा है भारत ने इनका, तो इस पर राजीव मल्होत्रा.
Number 6. Crash Course. Now this channel is a treasure. With its philosophical courses, it really gets into all the philosophical topics both critically and with new reference, ideas and examples. And irrespective of you being an amateur or someone excelled in philosophy, I believe you will find the channel very helpful.
Combine my belief that oatmeal is nutritious with my desire for healthy nourishment and the temperament that predisposes me to enjoy warm, carby comfort foods, and ta-da! You get oatmeal-y breakfast.
Number 5. Renegade Cut, a channel that goes much deeper into philosophical concepts, mainly in movies, and provides all perspectives and then comes to the final truth. A great channel though for philosophers.
The Joker is wrong. Wrong philosophically and wrong in action. He is a mass murderer and a terrorist, no matter how many contrarian memes claim otherwise. He is an excellent character, but he is a monster.
Number 4. Vsauce. Now many would argue that this isn't really a philosophical channel, but I believe philosophy is an integral part exhibited in all of Vsauce's videos. As the host Michael asked philosophical questions at the very beginning of the videos and later goes on to answer them, even though some are left unanswered. I believe this channel mixes both science and philosophy in a great and an interesting way.
40 minutes of every day that you're awake are lost because our eyeballs move.
Number 3, The School of Life, another great channel which mixes philosophical ideas with animation and creates amazing videos with equal entertainment, learning and philosophical knowledge.
Plato compared the role of our feelings to being dragged dangerously along by a group of wild horses.
Number 2, Nerd Writer, a channel with seemingly excellent video essays, beautifully edited and very smoothly narrated. Another of my all-time favorite, this one.
The complex narrative structure is totally subservient to the story Nolan wants to tell. It's necessary to keep its twists secret until the film wants to reveal them.
Number 1, Schist, in a nutshell. Now I know it's more about science and hypothetical questions and finding answers to them, but at some point the videos merge with philosophy as a whole, as we see clearly in the videos like optimistic nihilism, what are we, and what is life. And what is great about this channel is its high quality animation and very easily understandable theorizing of the ideas, and that is why it stands as one of the best channels out there.
It seems very unlikely that 200 trillion stars have been made for us. In a way, it feels like the cruelest joke in existence has been played on us.
So guys, that is it from this video. Hope you guys liked it and enjoyed the videos and got to learn something. And before you go, let me tell you that these are just a bunch of many more out there, and please don't limit yourself to only this video. Try to learn more about this or ask in the comments. I will surely let you know about more channels. And as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Much love, peace.